Hello fellow royal crafters, I'm Sophie from DIY Blonde and today I've teamed up with this little guy, Ralph from Baker Ross. To celebrate the Queen's Jubilee, Ralph and I are going to share with you the Baker Ross easy to make crown kit so you can have your very own crown to celebrate the Queen's big day in style. So come on Ralph, let's get to it.
Introducing the Royal Crown Kit by Baker Ross. This kit includes 3-card crowns, self-adhesive foam decorations, and split pins. And for this video, we've added some royal pom-poms, stars and gems, which all can be found in the Jubilee section on bakerross.co.uk. Did you know that special royal jubilees are named after precious stones? We've had the Silver Jubilee, the Ruby Jubilee, Golden Jubilee, Diamond Jubilee, Sapphire Jubilee, and now the Platinum Jubilee, the 70th anniversary. Now let's get making. Step 1. On the card crown, insert the notch into one of the slots so it fits correctly onto your head. Step 2. Fold down each top section to line up the ready-made holes. This will make the main shape of the crown. Step 3. Insert a split pin into the hole to connect the pieces together. Did you know the Queen's crown lives at the Tower of London? The coronation crown, known as the Crown Jewels, has been seen by 30 million people. Wowee! Decorating time. Step 4.
Now it's time to decorate your crown. I've got here some jewels, pom-poms and stars, which all can be found in the Jubilee section on the Baker Ross website, bakerross.co.uk. Add them to your crown along with the things you get in your kit to make it look as sparkly as possible, which will be fit for a queen.
Did you know there's a London Underground tube line named after the Queen? That's right. To mark her Silver Jubilee, that's 25 years as Queen, they opened the Jubilee line in her honour. Fun fact, it's light grey in colour to represent the silver colour of the Jubilee itself. It really is that easy to make your own crown. Now you can look like royalty too.
Thanks for joining Ralph and I to make those fantastic Baker Ross royal crowns. Looking great, Ralph. If you would like to get your hands on one of the Baker Ross Jubilee craft kits, or you'd like to see the fantastic range of craft products available at Baker Ross, then please check out the website at www.bakerross.co.uk. See you soon.